Hikers who sign trail registers and fan out through the Adirondack Park nearly all share the same objective, climbing a mountain or several mountains. Yet some of us are different. While fond of peaks, we find equal interest in the valleys that lie between them. And so, one freezing cold morning in late spring, I set off for Avalanche Pass. In the woods this morning, there are chances to hear and sometimes see birds, such as the purple finch. The trail gains altitude gently. I savor the fragrance of balsam firs, and as the day warms, pause to peel layers. In motion again, high ridges loom in the distance. Streams rush and roar. After an hour on the trail, I arrive at Marcy Dam. In 2011, Hurricane Irene damaged the structure, and the lake behind it was drained. Below Marcy Dam, a new wooden bridge leads me to a second trail register. Here I sign in again, leaving information that will help rangers find me if I fail to come home. As the trail continues to ascend, I keep eyes on my boots as I dance around roots, rocks, and mud. I pause on a footbridge to listen to the sound of rushing water. An earlier hiker has left a shiny Canadian coin here, perhaps for good luck. The trail climbs log steps, and soon I'm descending into the pass. Towering ridges appear through the trees. Avalanche Lake spreads out before me, cold, clear, and flanked by high cliffs. Canada geese float serenely, perhaps looking for a nesting place. The final leg of the hike brings me through an obstacle course of boulders along the base of sheer, towering cliffs. At 2 points, the trail has no place to go. Curious structures known locally as hitch-up Matildas cantilever the path out over the lake. Legend has it that a guide once carried a young woman named Matilda through the water here. She had to hitch up her long dress to keep it from getting wet. At last, I reach my destination. The south end of Avalanche Lake makes a fine place to sit, soak up the scenery, and crunch an apple. It can be a social spot, too. On this day, I have the pleasure of conversation with visitors from north of the border.
I love it. I'm actually a member of the Adirondack Mountain Club, and I've been hiking over the winter, and now that spring is back, I'm excited to discover it a bit more. The reason we went on this trip was actually to go to Avalanche Lake in the first place, because we saw a picture online and we were excited to see it ourselves, and it's so much more impressive when you're there and you see the birds and the wildlife that's like breathtaking, and you can enjoy it pretty much to yourself.
For us, it was like the first time we were trying our big backpacks and everything, and staying less in the summits and staying really like in the smaller paths was beautiful. On a dit simplement que c'était magnifique. Je pense qu'on a dit ça plusieurs fois depuis qu'on marche, là. Moi et mes amis ici, on est comme tout le temps, c'est beau, mais c'est beau comme à chaque fois, à chaque coin de rue. C'est comme, pas à chaque coin de rue, pardon, à chaque détour du sentier, c'est simplement magnifique.
As hikes go, the 10-mile round trip to Avalanche Pass and back is easier than most. The difficult part is leaving.